Boogie Bears and Boogie Bears, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Archanel. Welcome to my channel, and if you're a fan subscriber, hey. So today, y'all, I'm about to be doing a tutorial. Basically, I'm going to be doing how to do 2 braids over locks. So yeah, it's a real simple, easy tutorial. Nothing too much to it. So I just decided, why not show y'all? If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe so you get notified anytime I post. I don't know if I'm gonna be talking in this video or if I'm gonna do a voiceover. We're gonna figure out when I put this. It's probably gonna be a voiceover because I'm playing music. But yeah, y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow all my socials, and let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so first I start off by splitting my hair into 2 sections, even sections or whatever. My middle part ain't really middling all the way sometimes, but it do enough. So split your hair into 2 parts. I use Eco Styler to slick down the flyaways or anything. I only use this since I have micro locks. You can use any other gel if you want to, but if you have regular locks, I'm sure you're not going to need it. Then I proceed to pull out my edges because I want a good amount of edges out, and I go on to putting water on my hair so that it is moisturized and all that good stuff. Boy, if y'all see this pimple in this video, I'm sorry. I tried to pop it and I just made it worse. After that, you're gonna see me in depth show y'all how I started my braid. I took 3 to 4 locks and I started my braid in the front. You can take probably 3 if you have regular locks, but with my micro locks I took a good amount because I wanted to make sure that I had my braid looking full enough in the front all the way back. So go ahead and do that, but don't do it too tight because you don't want too much tension on your locks. I braided down a good amount before I started adding in the hair. You're going to see in this next clip how many strands went into each braid, what went into it when I braided. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I took the first piece, which was 4, and added it into my hair. Then make sure you go over once, and you can go ahead and add if you feel as though. Then I go ahead and add the 4 again, make sure everything's looking right, and do the same process with the amount and order that I put it in. You want your braid to look the same, so you keep on adding and keep on braiding until you get to the end. So this is view B, where I showed y'all how I braided it down. You want your braid to be all uniform and the same looking as you go down. Now onto the next side. It was a little harder for me to get this side because I have more locks on this side than my other side, just a few, but you can still braid it down the same way. But I started adding hair in the beginning more so it would be all the same pattern. After both braids were done, I took a crochet hook and pulled in my loose pieces that I didn't grab, as well as went ahead and did my edges after I fixed all my imperfections. After I did that, here are the braids both done and fixed. Now I go ahead and take a black wrap and wrap my hair, and go in with mousse over top after I put the black wrap over my hair. You're going to make sure you do this because it just adds a even more sleek look to the whole look itself when you do this. Next, you're going to make sure you take some heat to it, blow dry or sit under the hair dryer to blow dry all the mousse and any other product that you put on your hair to make it look, however you wanted it to look. After I went ahead and cut off the black wrap, you can leave it on all night if you want to make it smoother, but I just leave it on for a little. And then I finish off with a little bit of oil sheen so it can give it that shine. Here is the style. I swear I love this style so much. It's something quick, easy, and fast, and protective that you can do over your locks at any time. Here really quick, I just showed y'all how I wrapped. I put a black wrap around my edges and go ahead and put my do-rag around my hair. And that is the end of this video, y'all. If y'all enjoy, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe so you get notified anytime I post. I will be doing more tutorial videos. This is just, you know, I'm just testing the waters to see. I always do these braids, so I wanted to do a tutorial on how to do them if you had locks, because some people be feeling like they can't do a lot of stuff that you be doing on regular hair with locks, but you can do really anything because locks are so versatile, like especially micro locks. So if you have micro locks and regular locks, you can do these on your regular locks as well as micro locks. It looks just like your regular hair. It looks just flat like your regular hair. I promise you're gonna be tea. I suggest to use this hair. I suggest to use this hair if you have locks, because it'll just like give like you're giving an extended lock look. With braid hair, it'll still look the same, but it'll just look like, oh, you just have regular braids and not locks. If you get what I'm saying. I just feel as though it looks better with this instead of braid hair. But yeah, everything that I use will be linked in the video, as well as just, you know, I will be giving in-depth typing and just everything that y'all need to know how to do this hairstyle. This side is kind of different than this side because I do have more locks. I do have a few more locks on this side than this side. Like in this area, I have more locks, so it's just like it kind of twisted and banded a little bit. But I'm just gonna have to work with it so it just turn around like the right way. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe for more tutorials, because I will be posting more tutorials. Trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before.